Hey guys, how you doing? Right here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. It's Antonio, my son here's birthday today, and he's got the new Disney Pixar U-Command Wally. He's gonna show you how it works. It can do all kinds of cool stuff. This is the demonstration of it. We've already done an unboxing of it, so here's a video of it working. It's built very well, guys. You can do all kinds of stuff. 1,000 programmable commands, talks, runs, moves, eyes light up, dances. This is definitely a cool toy. I wish I had when I was a kid. They're at Toys R Us, guys, exclusively. About 60 bucks. Well worth the money, though. Put a smile on a kid's face. And built very well. Like I said, it's nice to pay that kind of money but get something of quality. A little dancing. Definitely a nice toy, guys. If you got a little kid, boy or girl, definitely pick this thing up for them. You'll love it. And there you go, guys. There's a quick little video of Wally running. Take care.